welcome you all to my channel Fun or Learn with Pallavi. I hope you all love learning the delicious butter from me. If you haven't watched it, you just need to check my previous video to learn the delicious butter. So this is the fourth video of Janmashtami episodes, and I hope you are enjoying listening to beautiful stories as well as learning some beautiful craft items related to Janmashtami. And like in my previous videos, I have shared very few beautiful stories as well as I have shared a craft item related to that story. This video will also be the same, and today's story is Lord Krishna's childhood story. He was very little. When he was very little child, one day, not one day, he used to see that all the gopis are cleaning the vessels where they used to keep the makhan. So when the makhan was finished, when the makhan, when the vessels got empty, they used to clean the vessels with mud. So Kanha noticed it, and to his wonder, he thought that when after eating butter, he also might need to clean his stomach with mud. So one fine day, what he did is after eating butter, he took some mud and he just put in his mouth. He's so innocent, right? Like in my previous video, I shared a story where we can see that how Lord Krishna is so intelligent. And today we can see that Lord Krishna is so innocent. Like both the things are totally opposite, but such a balance that he is so intelligent as well as he is so innocent. This Lord can be like this, both the qualities balanced together can only be possible with the Lord. So that day Lord Krishna put mud in his mouth. So what happened? Balaram, Lord Krishna's elder brother, and his friends just saw that Kanha is putting something in his mouth. So they came to Kanha, they came to Lord Krishna and asked that what you have put in your mouth. But Lord Krishna wasn't saying anything and was not opening his mouth also. So they took Lord Krishna, they took Kanha to his mother Ma Yashoda. Now Ma Yashoda said, Kanha, please open your mouth. But Kanha wasn't opening his mouth was, neither he was talking anything. Now Ma Yashoda got angry and took a stick and warned that if you don't open your mouth now, I will beat you. Hearing this, Kanha just opened his mouth. And to your surprise, to Ma Yashoda's surprise, you know what Ma Yashoda saw? Ma Yashoda was so amazed, so shocked to see the whole universe in Krishna's mouth. She was so surprised that she closed her eyes immediately just to flash out what she saw. And when she opened her eyes, she saw that Kanha is smiling innocently. You know, there are so many thousands of stories related to Krishna, and each story depicts or indicates some or the moral. So in this story we can only see that Kanha was so innocent, but at the same time he was the king of the whole universe. And talking about king usually wears a crown. And in this video we will learn a very beautiful crown, a very small cute little crown. So for that you have to watch the video till the end. love learning this beautiful crown for your Kanha. Now we all are so busy setting up the setup for Janmashtami, but there are some more surprise for you, so you just need to hold your breath and wait for my next video to be uploaded. So this is a very little and I will show you. So I taught you the basic structure. Now the full decoration is up to you, as I said, because I had this flower, I had this beautiful stone. So if you have anything else, you can add it. I had this lace also, so I put over here. This is it. I hope this is nice and I hope you can learn something from this. And yes, one more important tip I want to share. Please sprinkle Ganga Jal on whatever item you are making, because you know these small things, maybe we are doing it very nicely, like with all the rules to be followed for Janmashtami celebration, but still, like, we don't know from which place all this have come and who all have touched this and what was the condition. So please sprinkle some Ganga Jal, so to make it pure, to make our heart pure basically, so that it doesn't go in our mind that I don't know what item I have used, it was good or not. So sprinkle some Ganga Jal. And that's all for today. I hope you love learning this beautiful crown, and if you loved it, please give a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon and share it with your friends. Till then, bye bye and see you soon.